That's beautiful.
Snow at the top of the volcano, 70s at the bottom.
Snow in Hawaii, and we hit 82 degrees today.
Oh, gosh.
What is happening right now? Nothing says the start of carnival season like a disgusting 82, destroying the old record of 79 degrees that was most recently set back in 89. Really, the focus coming up, though, is going to be the fog. Reduced visibilities will be a concern late tonight, mainly after 10, 11 o'clock. So not too many folks on the road, but certainly an issue for the morning drive. Dense fog advisory is being issued by the Weather Service from midnight tonight until 10 a.m. Visibilities will be watching later on this evening. At the moment, we saw a lot more sunshine during the day today. That's one of the reasons why we hit 82 degrees. 76 is our current temperature, dew point in the 60s, and that is why why fog will likely be a bit more widespread. We're in the 70s right now, but those dew point values are more 60s. Typically this time of year, when we start to see the dew points getting into the 50s, especially upper 50s, patchy fog. Once they start getting into the 60s, that tends to be a little bit more widespread. So fog will definitely be an issue for the next couple of mornings. Maybe not as much of an issue Friday because of an approaching cold front. Warm, I'll say almost hot for the rest of this week, and humid. Rain and storms Friday and into early Saturday. With that front, we'll try and time those out for you in just a moment. A few passing clouds, but otherwise that southerly wind has allowed for a very warm feel across much of the southeast and the high plains. You find the colder air across the Rockies, parts of the Northwest, or a little bit farther to the north. So we are waiting for the next upper trough, which is not too far away. By Thursday, Friday, we'll really start to see the upper troughing out west and across the plains. That is the initial cold air that'll be moving in. And with a strong system, such as temperatures in the upper 70s and 80s, followed quickly behind by 30s, 40s, and 50s, this is going to be a more active front once it moves on in. And rain will definitely be an issue. Friday during the day may see scattered showers. Now this model kind of shows rain all over the place. I think our rain chances Friday during the day around 50–60%. The bulk of the rainfall will likely start to become more of a linear type feature, more of a line of storms late Friday into early Saturday. Exact timing as to when that rain moves out for the rest of the day Saturday, I'm thinking probably before 9, 10 a.m. Most of the rain will be gone, but we'll still have a little bit of lingering cloud cover and maybe even a few light showers. So kind of a cold day on Saturday. Hopefully we clear out a bit more by Sunday, but even the models keeping some lingering high clouds around. So kind of a chilly feel for the weekend. As I'd mentioned, that front will be a bit more active with such a dramatic drop in temperatures that we could see some severe weather. A little too far out to know the specifics, but right now the Storm Prediction Center is placing central Louisiana and our western Florida parishes under a likely slight risk. That's a level 2 out of 5 for severe weather. This, though, will be updated as we get closer to Friday and on into Saturday morning. So kind of coming up for this weekend is our big changes. We'll have that early morning rainfall Saturday, but falling temperatures throughout the day. So our high of around 67, 68 degrees on Saturday will be set early in the day. Weather impact alert for tomorrow because of the morning fog. May have to see where our fog development potential is for Thursday as well as for Friday. Then we'll have the chance for some strong storms, 50% during the day, 60% overnight and into early on Saturday. And that high of 67 degrees on Saturday, that is earlier in the morning. The rest of the day, temperatures will be dropping. Kind of breezy to windy during the day on Saturday and breezy on Sunday as well. Look at our morning lows, 30s and 40s, a high of only 58 degrees. We'll be near freezing on the North Shore. Definitely some frost north of the lake Monday morning and likely a light freeze Tuesday morning on the North Shore, and high temperatures only in the low to mid 50s.